Guys, I'm back here with another video, and as you can tell by the title, I am here with another headband wig review. Yes girl, yes girl. I told you I was gonna be coming back with these wig videos, and here I am. I didn't disappoint. I wasn't lying. Anyway, we'll be discussing Utrue hair. This is their 18-inch headband wig, 130% density for only $49.99. So if you guys want to know more about this hair, continue watching. But wait, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, and put on your notification bell so you don't miss out on all of this. And we're gonna get right into this video. Hey loves, here I am with my Meek Millies in. This is how the Utrue hair comes in this nice pink bag. It also came with these two pins to keep the bag closed. I thought that was really unique and cute, so I wanted to show you guys. It was like a little pearl, and then it came with this Ziploc bag with all these goodies. It had some more Utrue advertisements and papers inside the bag, and then it came with two ball caps in one pack, as well as two headbands. These headbands were super cute, and then it came with a beauty blender, also some earrings. Actually, it had two pair of earrings, a small one and a medium-sized one, and then it had a edge brush. I thought this was really cute. I don't know if they package all their hair like this, but that was super sweet of them to package it with all this stuff. Finally, this is the 18-inch headband wig that they sent me. It came with tags, some stuffing and stuff inside of it. Very nicely packed. Here's my edge brush, and I will be using the edge booster to slick these edges. So I didn't really have to do much with my edges. I just recorded another headband wig before this video, so if you guys want to see that water wave short bob headband wig, check out my last video. I'll have it on the screen as well as in the description box. But since my edge was already slicked, I just went in and touched it up and made it look somewhat nice. So moving on to the wig, it comes with two clips in the front, one in the back, and then I broke one of off. So it's supposed to be three clips in the front, one in the back, but yeah, when I was trying to take the tag off, I ripped it off. Anyway, and then it has the little strap thing to strap the headband part of the wig on. Super easy, super cute. Probably can't do this with straight backs in. I believe I said that in my other video. You might have to just do like a ponytail under this because it's really hard to clip the combs into your braids. But anyway, I pushed it back, make sure it was nicely placed on my head, and then I went in with my straightener to kind of straighten it. It's really good to do the comb and straightener process, but I was really just trying to get this video done because I had things to do. This was way before my Atlanta trip, so you guys should look out for my Atlanta vlog. But yeah. After flat ironing it, I am going in with my comb, just combing it out and seeing if I need to touch up any spots, as well as making sure that my part is in the middle. You don't have to do a part, you can do straight back, but for this, I wanted it to kind of fall on the sides in front of my face kind of thing. This is so cute. It's so soft. Oh my gosh. I feel like a schoolgirl. This is giving me back to school vibes. Like, if you're a beginner when it comes to wigs, this is a cute back to school hair. You can even do some curls in it. Like, I'm feeling it. It's so cute. It's a little thin. Like, it could be a lot thicker, but it's cute. I like it. Let me stop. This is so cute. It's soft. There is a little bit of shedding. Let's see. I didn't get nothing that time. I got like one or two strands. It's not a lot of shedding for real, for real. It's super soft. Like, I can't stop running my hands through it. Stiff wear, stiff wear, stiff wear. Of course, like I always say for all my headband wigs, they are easy to apply, beginner friendly. There's no lace, no glue. If you don't even want to do edges, you don't have to. This beginner wig came with 2 headbands. Let's see which one I'm try. Let's try this headband. Okay, so this headband doesn't really cover like the whole blue part, but it covers the first half. So, oh yes, back to school vibes. Here I come, here I come. Like, I can definitely see me throwing this on and going to class, because the amount of times I do not have time to glue down lace in the morning. I do not have time to glue down lace in the morning. I need to be out that door, especially if I'm running off just a few hours of sleep. I'm out. This is so cute, easy to apply. I can just throw it on and still look cute on my bummy days. You feel me? You feel me? If you're a college student, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is really finna be a vibe. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, This is so cute. Utrue, you did your thing with this hair. You did your thing with this wig. You did your thing. You did your thing. I ain't even gonna lie. You did your thing. You did your thing. You did your thing. You can also do like a low ponytail, maybe like you don't want the hair in your way. Bam, got a little. Okay, this don't look that cute. I don't really like it in a ponytail, but you see where I'm going. Let's see if we can do like a high ponytail. So you can do a high ponytail with this. I'll try and get it higher. Okay, this is not cute, but you get where I'm going. If you want to do like a real bun, like a bun. I don't feel like going through the whole process. You know, you can do like a little bun with this. Wear it up, wear it down. It look cuter down, but that's just my preference. So I'm rating this hair a 10 out of 10. There really isn't anything wrong with this hair. There's little shedding. It's easy to wear, easy to apply. Well, let me not say a 10 out of 10. I'll give it a 9.5 because it could be a lot fuller, you know, give it a little bit more volume. So for that reason, I'm gonna give it a 9.5. It was almost a 10 though, almost a 10. But if you guys want to purchase this here, I have all the information in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. But before you click out this video, make sure that you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you made this far, you obviously mess with me and I mess with you. So you might as well subscribe. You might as well. You might as well. You ain't watch this for nothing. And also check out my last video. That was another headband wig. Guys, I have a lot of wig content coming for you guys. I have a lot of things that I need to do. So yeah, get ready for the wig content. Get ready for the vlogs. Get ready for more school related content. So much stuff coming to you guys. Thank you for supporting me and subscribing to my channel and tuning into my content. I appreciate you guys so much, and be on the lookout for that giveaway. I know I've been talking about this giveaway. I'm still getting a bunch of stuff together for this giveaway, and yeah, it's a bit much, but that's all. That's it. And as always, remember to be beautiful and love yourself.